So, good day to our listeners. Today we are discussing the operational management in hospitality with my group mate. So, first, what is hospitality management? Basically, it is the field that involves managing service to industry like hotels, restaurants, tourism, and even the events. So the main goal here is simple: to provide a comfort, satisfaction, and excellent service to a customer. So kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng ginagawa sa hospitality industry is nakafocus talaga siya sa experience ng guest. Now let's move on to operational management in hospitality. So pag sinabi natin operational, this refers to the day-to-day activities or yung mga daily na ginagawa para maging smooth yung takbo ng isang business. So, hindi lang ito basta planning, kundi execution talaga. Kung paano pinapatakbo araw-araw yung hotel or restaurant. So, paano ba nangyayari yung operational management sa hospitality industry? So, every day, may system na sinusunod. For example, sa hotel. From the moment na may guest na mag-check-in, may staff na may mag-a-assist, may housekeeping na maglilinis ng room, may kitchen staff na mag-handle ng food, and may mga front desk na mag-handle ng concern. So, all of these are coordinated. Ibig sabihin, bawat department may mga role. And kailangan nagtutulungan sila para maging maayos or smooth yung takbo ng isang service. So, if hindi maganda yung isang operational ng isang business, so may possible na malugi or mag-down agad yung isang business. So, to continue this our presentation, may I call Karen.
So for our report, we want you to understand that the main goal of operational management in tourism and hospitality is not just to run the business, but to run it effectively and efficiently. By the end of our discussion, you will learn that the key objectives are to provide high quality service, to ensure total customer satisfaction, to improve efficiency and daily operation, to maintain high service standards consistently, to maximize profits while keeping costs under control, and most importantly, to ensure safety and compliance with all regulations.
So ito po ang ating key objectives of operational management in hospitality management. We have 6. This is one is provide high quality service to ensure customer satisfaction, and 3, improve efficiency in daily operation. 4, maintain service standards. 5, maximize profit while controlling costs. 6, ensure safety and follow regulation. Okay, sa provide high quality po is to deliver a consistent, professional, and excellent service that meet or exceeds customer expectation po. Example po nito is in a hotel po, guests are greeted warmly, check-in is quick, and room are clean and well prepared. Sa pangalawa po, sa ensure customer satisfaction po is make sure customer are happy with the service and their needs are properly addressed. Example po nito is when a guest complains about a room issue, staff responds quickly and fix the problem. Pangatlo po, improve efficiency in daily operation. Ano po nito is make daily tasks faster and more organized to save time and resource. Example po ito is using an online reservation system po to avoid booking errors and delays. Pang-apat po is maintain service standards. Ang ano po ito is follow company guidelines to ensure consistent quality of service. Example ito is staff follows proper procedure, wear uniforms, and maintain professional behavior. Pang-lima po ito is maximize profit while controlling cost. Okay, ang ano po ito increase revenue while minimizing unnecessary expenses. Example po ito yung managing inventory properly to avoid waste and reduce cost. Pang-anim po ito ensure safety and follow regulation. To protect customer and employees by following safety rules and legal requirements. Example po ito, installing fire safety equipment and conducting regular safety inspection. Ilan po. Next po.
Key function of operational management in hospitality management. Planning. Deciding what needs to be done, setting goals, and preparing for guest needs. Organizing. Arranging staff and resources to run operations smoothly. Staffing. Hiring and training employees to provide a good service. Directing. Guiding and supervising staff to ensure tasks are done properly. Controlling. Checking performance and making sure standards and budgets are followed. Continue by next reporter.
Here's the important of operational management. First is cost control. Cost control means managing expenses by avoiding waste and using resources wisely. Halimbawa po sa restaurant, minomonitor po nila yung paggamit ng pagkain, tubig at kuryente. Halimbawa po nun sa tamang paggamit at dami lang ng ingredients ang niluluto ng restaurant upang maiwasan po yung mga tira-tira at pagkasira po ng pagkain. Second is quality management. Quality management means making sure that service and product are always good and meet standard. Sa isang resort naman po ay sinisigurado po nilang malinis ang mga kwarto at pagiging magalang po ng mga staff upang pong maging komportable at maging satisfy yung mga customer. Third po is efficiency. Efficiency means doing tasks quickly and correctly without wasting time or effort. Halimbawa po sa isang hotel, gumagamit po sila ng computerized system para po mapabilis ang pag-check-in at pag-check-out ng mga customer or clients. Kaya hindi na po nila kailangan pumila at matagal na paghihintay. Fourth is strategic planning. Strategic planning means making plans to help the business reach its goals. Halimbawa na lang po nito yung sa travel agency ay nakapokus po sila sa local tour package at nagpo-promote sa social media upang mas dumami yung mga customer at kita nila dito. 5 is risk management. Risk management means identifying possible problems and finding ways to avoid or reduce them. Halimbawa sa isang hotel ay may mga emergency plan para sa mga kalamidad tulad ng bagyo, lindol at backup suppliers ng pagkain upang masiguradong tuloy-tuloy ang operasyon kahit may problema. 6 is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction means making sure customers are happy with the service they receive. Halimbawa ay sa isang hotel or kahit ano pong halimbawa po sa restaurant, sa mga airlines, ganun po. Tinitiyak po ng mga staff na maayos ang serbisyo ng mga guests sa pamamagitan ng pagiging magalang at mabilis na mag-assist upang masatisfy at tangkilitin ito ng mga customer. Last is competitive advantage. Competitive advantage means having a special strength that makes a business better than other businesses in the same industry, such a better service, lower price, or unique offers. Halimbawa, may dalawang hotel sa isang tourist area. Yung isang hotel ay nag-aalok ng mas murang room rates pero kasama na ang breakfast, free wifi, and shuttle service papuntang sa tourist spot. Dahil dito, mas maraming turista ang pumipili sa hotel na ito para po sa ibang hotel na mas mahal at kulang sa inclusion.
So, this is the type of operational management in hospitality industry. And siguro naman familiar kayo dito, di ba? So, the first one is front office. In this area, ito po yung unang pinupuntahan ng mga guests pag pumapasok sila sa isang hotel. Sila yung responsible na mag-welcome ng mga guests and mag-assist when it come in check-in and check-out. Sila rin yung pwede mong makontak if gusto mong magpa-reserve sa isang hotel, and sila rin yung sumasagot ng mga calls and nag-handle ng mga complaints and concern. So, the second one is housekeeping operation. In housekeeping operation, sila naman po yung nagpapanatili na maayos yung mga rooms. Sila rin yung nagpapalit ng mga kumot, punda, and naglilinis ng mga CR to make sure na maayos yung mga room para maging komportable yung mga guests. And the third one is food and beverage operation. Sa food and beverage operation naman po, sila yung nag-handle ng food and drinks. Sila rin yung nagpe-prepare ng meals, nagsaserve sa guests, and also nagmamanage ng mga restaurant and bars. And next naman po ay tour and travel operation. In tour and travel operation, sila naman po yung tumutulong sa mga guests para mag-plan ng isang travel or trip. This includes book tours, arranging transportation, and giving information about places to visit. Next one is event management operation. In event management operation naman, sila yung nag-organize ng mga event tulad ng kasal, meeting, and party. Sila yung nagpaplano ng lahat mula sa lugar, pagkain hanggang sa program. They plan everything to make sure the event runs smoothly. And the last one is back office operation. In back office operation, it refers to the behind-the-scene activity in a hotel that are not directly seen by guests but essential for smooth business operation. This includes managing finances and budget, hiring and training employees, purchasing and monitoring supplies, maintaining computer and reservation system, and handling important records and reports. This team ensures that resources are available, employees are supported, and all departments function properly. So, may I call the next presenters? So, syempre, alam naman natin na hindi laging madali ang pagpapatakbo ng operations. Kaya naman marami ring challenges sa mga hamon na hinaharap ang mga managers and staff araw-araw. So, unang-una na rito ang staff shortage and high turnover. It's hard to find and keep good employees. Second one is maintaining service quality. Ensuring that every guest gets the same excellence experience every time. So, seasonal demand changes. Minsan sobrang busy, minsan naman sobrang bagal. Mahirap i-adjust ang resources. So, next is high operating costs, tulad ng bills, supplies, at sweldo na patuloy na tumataas. Technology issues. Minsan may technical problems o kailangan mag-adapt sa mga bagong system. Next one is rising guest expectations. Lalong nagiging demanding ang mga customers ngayon. So, mas nagiging mataas na ang mga standards nila. Poor coordination between departments. Minsan may mga miscommunication sa pagitan ng mga teams tulad ng kitchen, front office, o sa housekeeping. At syempre, health and safety concerns. Responsibilidad nating masiguro na malinis at ligtas ang lugar para sa guests at employees. So those are the common challenges na dapat nating alam at handa tayong harapin. So now I call on Ms. Kyle to discuss the next part.
I will be discussing 10 key areas in operational management in hospitality.
These are the 10 key areas. Number 1, accommodation management. Runs hotels, resorts, lodges, covers reservations, housekeeping, guest services, and maintenance to ensure comfortable stays. Number 2, transportation management. Handles airlines, cruises, buses, trains, car rentals, focuses on scheduling, logistic, and fleet management for smooth travel. Number 3, tour operations, plans and runs guided tours and activities include itineraries, guides, attraction tickets, and seamless tour experiences. 4, hospitality management, manages restaurants, cafes, bars, catering inside tourism sites, deals with F&B menu planning, quality control, and service. Number 5, event management, organizes conferences, festivals, and tourist events, covers logistic coordination, marketing, and event execution. 6, customer service and guest relation, delivers positive tourist experiences by handling inquiries, complaints, and ensuring satisfaction throughout the stay. 7, resource management, oversees finances, HR, and physical assets to keep tourism businesses running effectively and efficiently. 8, safety and security measures, implement safety protocols, emergency procedures, and security system to protect both tourists and staff. Number 9, quality control and standards, monitor service infrastructure and guest experience to meet or exceed customer expectations consistently. And lastly, sustainability and responsible practices, uses eco-friendly practices to reduce environmental impact and support local communities while staying profitable. For the conclusion, in summary, operational management is the heart of hospitality management. It's not just about running hotels, restaurants, or tours, but great facilities means nothing without solid operations. All functions are interconnected. Operational management drives both guest satisfaction and business survival. In the hospitality industry, execution is everything. Planning is important, but consistent, safe, and genuine day-to-day delivery matters more. The real measure of effective operational management isn't just profit. It's when guests come back because they felt valued and well taken care of. Operational management turns promises into experience. And in hospitality, experience is the product. That's all. Thank you.